got a rusted, seized up drive shaft that doesn't want to budge. Now it's not just a replacement, it's a recovery mission. Years of heat, moisture, and road salt can lock everything in place, especially around the flanges, slip yoke, or carrier bearing bracket. Start with penetrating oil and give it some time. Rushing this step usually means bent flanges or cracked yokes. Use a non-marring pry bar or soft drift punch to break it free. Work around the flange in a star pattern. Don't hammer the shaft directly. And definitely don't tap on the U-joint caps. If it's really stuck, try rotating the shaft a little at a time, breaking it loose evenly, especially if it's wedged on by rust or tension. In tougher cases, use a drive shaft puller or slide hammer with the right flange adapter. Don't improvise with the wrong tool. One bad hit can trash the yoke. Once it's out, clean the mating surfaces before reinstalling the new shaft. Rust and debris left behind can affect fitment and balance. Getting it out clean means the new one goes in right and stays that way. No damage, no shortcuts, no comebacks.